Hi all, my name is Joseph Raham from Department of EC. Today I am here with a presentation on the topic Fixed Recognition Technology, guided by Ms. Ajay George, Assistant Professor of EC Department. These all are the contents included in the presentation. Includes introduction, background and history, why we choose recognition over biometrics, how face recognition works, a detailed block diagram and principles, components used, type of face recognition, implementation and companies involved in the research, case study, ethical and privacy concerns, recent technological advancements, and future prospects, advantages and disadvantages, application, conclusion, and references. Moving to the introduction, face recognition technology is a biometric technology that uses facial features to identify or verify a person's identity. Facial features that are typically used for face recognition includes the eyes, nose, mouth, and jawline. Face recognition technology can be used to track people's movements and activities, which raise concern about privacy and surveillance. Face recognition technology is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes such as security, law enforcement, and customer services. Moving to the background and history of face recognition technology, in 1980, face recognition technology is used in commercial applications such as access control and time and attendance tracking. And in 1990, face recognition technology is used in law enforcement and military applications. In 2000, face recognition technology is used in mobile phones and other consumer devices. And in 2010, deep learning is used to improve the accuracy and performance of face recognition system. And in 2020, face recognition technology is used in access control, access time and attendance tracking, marketing and advertising, social media, healthcare, and financial services. Face recognition technology is still under development. This means that it is not always be accurate and it can be sometimes maybe fooled by things like mask and makeups. Why we choose face recognition over other biometrics? It requires no physical interaction on behalf of the user. It means that it is more convenient. It is more convenient method, and also it is accurate and allows for high enrollment and verification rates. It does not require an expertise to interrupt the comparison result. The capture devices will work with no problems. It can be used to use your existing hardware infrastructure, existing cameras and image capture device will work with no problem. In addition, its technology is more resistant to spoofing than other biometrics, and also less intrusive. Does not need any physical contact or something. And also, face recognition technology is more user friendly. Uh, how face recognition works? Face recognition is a faster process. The picture shows the exact working of this technology, capturing, extraction, comparing, and matching. The four steps are face detection, face alignment, feature extraction, and feature matching. In face detection, the initial steps involve detecting a face in an image or video by utilizing computer vision algorithms that identify facial features like eyes, nose, and mouth. In face alignment, after detecting a face, alignment is crucial to ensure consistent positioning of face features for accurate facial recognition as it relies on comparing feature distances. And in feature extraction, this is done by identifying and measuring the distance between different facial features such as eyes, nose, mouth, and eyebrows. And in feature matching, the final steps is to match the extracted feature from the new image to feature in a database of known faces. This is a detailed block diagram of this technology. Mm, this the block diagram contains two main modules: enrollment module and verification module. The module is responsible for capturing and storing the facial image of user in database. In enrollment module, first step is pre-processing and segmentation. Pre-processing is the process of preparing an image or video for face recognition. It increases noise reduction and contrast enhancement, and segmentation is the process of identifying and isolation of the face region image or video, includes skin color segmentation and its detection. Then biometrics is analyzes the biometrics and the analyzed data is sent to a system database. Thus, the verification is completed. And the The verification module is a module that is responsible for comparing a live facial image to facial image stored in the database to determine whether the person is the live image is who they are claimed to be. In verification module, there is also the working is almost exact same. And there is a first step is pre-processing and segmentation, and this, then analyzing the biometric. When there is a face drag or scoring is founded, the data will be rejected, and thus the verification is not completed. And next, the principles of face recognition technology. Principles are fairness and non-discrimination, transparency, accountability, and privacy. In fairness and non-discrimination, face recognition technology should be developed and deployed in a way that is fair and non-disciplinary. This means that technology should be able to accurately identify people of all races, ethnicities, genders, and ages. When in the case of transparency, the capabilities and limitations of face recognition technology should be transparent to user. User should be informed when face recognition technology is being used to collect or identify them. And also there should be appropriate accountability mechanism in place for the use of face recognition technology. This means that there should be clear rules and regulations governing the use of face recognition technology, and there should be ways for user to hold accountable those who misuse the technology. And the case of privacy, the privacy of user should be a top priority when developing and deploying face recognition technology. This means that face recognition data should be collected and stored in a secure manner, and that users should have control over their face recognition data. The main components of used in this technology is enrollment module, database, and identification module. Enrollment, as I mentioned earlier in block diagram, in enrollment module is an automated mechanism that scans and captures a digital or an analog image of living person characteristics. And database is another entity which handles compression, processing, storage, and compression of capturing data with stored data. And identification module, this is state interfaces with the application system. The identification module is similar to the verification module that as I mentioned in the block diagram. And the main types of face recognition technologies are 2D face recognition, 3D face recognition, mobile face recognition, infrared face recognition, AI-powered face recognition, multimodal face recognition, facial emotion recognition, thermal imaging face recognition. The 2D recognition uses image from webcam or security cameras in a specific DCT deploy. 2D recognition is commonly used in security applications such as unlocking smartphones and accessibility. In 3D face recognition, they are more accurate than 2D face recognition system, but there are also more expensive and more difficult to deploy. This being used in law enforcement applications such as identifying suspect and victims of crimes. In mobile face recognition, uses smartphones or other mobile devices to identify people. This is becoming increasingly popular as devices become more powerful. Some examples of how mobile face recognition works today is Apple Face ID system is used to unlock iPhones and iPads, and Google Face unlock system is used to unlock Google and Android phones. Samsung PAN system is used to unlock the Samsung phones and tablets. And also, PayPal One Touch system is used to authorize payments on mobile devices. And Facebook Tag feature is also uses face recognition technology to identify people in photos and videos. And infrared recognition images to identify people that is used in low light conditions where there is a lot of glare. And AI-powered face recognition uses artificial intelligence to improve the accuracy and speed of face recognition algorithms. AI-powered face recognition systems are still under development, but they have the potential to be more accurate and efficient than traditional face recognition system. In multi-modal face recognition systems, uses multiple types of data such as facial image and videos to identify people. Multi-modal face recognition systems are more accurate than traditional face recognition systems, especially in challenging conditions such as low light or when people are wearing masks. Facial emotion recognition system use algorithms to analyze facial expression to identify emotions such as happiness, sadness, anger, and fear. And also, facial recognition system are still under development, but they have the potential to be used in a variety of applications such as customer service and marketing. Thermal imaging face recognition system uses thermal cameras to capture image of people's faces. Thermal imaging face recognition it also can be used to identify people in low light or no light conditions, and they are also less affected by facial expressions than another type of face recognition. Like it is unable to detect the facial emotions. Implementation of face recognition includes the following three stages: acquisition, sorry, input processing, face image classification, and decision making. Data acquisition, input can be a 1 second video or still image comprises 25 frames. Multiple cameras can create a 3D face representation and provide unauthorized access using photos. And in input processing, pre-processing module locates the eye position and take care of the surrounding light condition and color variance. First presence of face or face in scene must be detected. Once face is detected, it must be localized. And in face image classification and decision making, a newly recorded pattern is pre-processed and combined with each face print stored in the database. As comparisons are made, system assign a value to comparison using a scale of 1 to 10. If the score is above a predetermined threshold, a match is declared. These all are the companies involved in the research. The main companies involved in face recognition technology may make research on this technology are Facebook, Google, Amazon, Microsoft. These companies are almost similar to us. And IBM, it is an international, it is international business machine. And Apple, Nvidia, Cognite, Ionics, and Rank One Computing. Rank One Computing is a US based company, and mm, this is a case study based on my first reference. Face recognition attendance system based on real-time video processing. It is a system that uses face recognition technology to automatically mark the attendance of individuals. The system typically consists of a camera, a computer, and a face recognition software. The camera captures video footage of the individual entering or exiting a room or building. The face recognition software then analyzes the video footage and identify the individuals in the footage by comparing their faces to a database of known faces. Once the individual has been uh, identified, the system are their attendance. Face recognition system are more efficient and accurate, and they can be used to mark attendance of large group of people quickly and easily. The complete attendance system module. There is a show a figure that representing this complete attendance system module consists of a video capturing and the diagram shows that where transmission module, data storage, face recognition module, and computer terminal module. These are the main areas which we have to deploy in airport and railway stations, corporations and cash points, in stadiums, in public transportations, financial institutions, government offices, and also business of all kinds. Ethical and privacy concerns are in privacy. Face recognition technology can collect and store sensitive biometric data. which can be used to track and identify individuals without their knowledge or consent. In the case of bias, face recognition algorithm can be biased against certain groups of people, such as people of color or women. That can be lead to discrimination and unfair treatments. The case of lack of transparency, the way that face recognition technology works is often not transparent to user, which make more it difficult to understand how their data is being used. And also in data security, face recognition data is often stored in centralized database, which make it vulnerable to hacking and data breaches. The reason technological advancements are increased speed, robust to spoofing, multimodal face recognition, and its computing. Face recognition algorithms are also becoming faster, which makes them more practical for real-world applications such as security and surveillance. This is due to the use of hardware, acceleration, and cloud computing. Robust to spoofing. The spoofing is technique that can be used to trick face recognition system by presenting them with a fake face. Recent advances in face recognition technology have made it more robust to spoofing by using techniques such as 3D face recognition and liveness detection. And multimodal face recognition system combines multiple biometrics such as face, voice, and fingerprints to improve accuracy and security. And also in edge computing is a distributed computing paradigm that bring computation and data storage close to the end user. These are the future prospects, but absorption more industries, improve accuracy and reliability, lower cost. New applications, for example, it could be used to track human movements, detect emotions, and even control devices with other facial expression. These technologies more widely used in large-scale industries, and also it can be by lowering the cost of the technology can be more useful to small scale industries also. These are the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages are improved security, reduce crime, increase convenience, accessibility. It is more convenient to use this technology, and also reduce. It can be used helping reduce crimes for by using for law enforcement such as identify the culprit, etc. Disadvantages are huge storage required for the environment of faces and false alarm and inconvenience. In security applications, false alarm and inconvenience caused by face recognition error. Limited use in certain conditions. This technology may not work in extreme conditions such as low light or adverse weather. And dependency of infrastructure. The effective implementation of often can depend upon the camera sensors and data network. Mm, and also, infrared failures affect the functionality of the system. It is more dependent to the system camera and the system database. These all are the applications. Advanced management system, as I mentioned earlier, and applications such as criminal identification and payment, face identification, phone unlocking, and voter verification. Uh, in conclusion, face recognition technology has been associated generally with very costly top secure applications. Today, the core technologies have uh, and evolved the cost of equipment, it going down dramatically due to integration and increasing processing power. Certain applications of face recognition technology are now cost effective, reliable, and high accurate. As a result, there are no technological or financial barrier for stepping from the pilot project to widespread deployment. This face recognition technology is a powerful tool with a wide range of applications for enhancing security and convenience to improve customer experience. It has a potential to revolutionize industries such as access control, law enforcement, healthcare, and more. However, it is essential to appropriate use and its implementation with caution and responsibility. These all are the references, and thank you.